home where the magic's alive. A sprinkle of spice, so how the flavors thrive. Eunice in the corner with her apron on tight, stirring up dreams, making everything right. In Eunice's kitchen, where love's the main dish, every little moment turns a heart's sweetest wish. From the simmering pots to the laughter that flows in this sacred space, so how